Hey guys, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really lovely light summer salad. Thai cucumber salad with spiralized cucumbers and a nice Thai dressing. So let's get started making the dressing. So here I've got 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice, and I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce. This stuff is stinky, but it sure makes for wonderful Thai food. Add to that, we're going to use coconut aminos. These are very popular as a substitute for soy sauce. It's gluten-free and a little lower carb. You can see it looks a lot like soy sauce. And I've got a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, some garlic, already nicely minced, and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. And then to give it a little heat, I've got these little bird's-eye chilies. They're little dried chilies. They're very hot, so you only need about 6 of them. If you can't find these, you can easily use just red pepper flakes. But I like to use these and crush them up. Get them all nice and, see, they almost look like red pepper flakes already, like that. Put that in. And then a little salt and pepper. And now your dressing is pretty much ready. You just want to set it aside while you work on your cucumbers. And now I have these gorgeous cucumbers from my local farmer's market. I'm just going to chop off the ends, and we're going to have a little fun with a spiralizer. It's super easy. Just stick your vegetable on there and back in here, and you start going. And it's such a great way to serve vegetables. Okay, we've got a lot of cucumber here. You can see all the juices spilling out of them. Basically, this is one long ribbon. So if you want to be able to serve it to people, you need to chop it up a little. So I usually just take a knife and kind of work my way through it in a couple of places and chop it up. And to put together the salad, all you need to do is put the cucumber in a bowl and dress it. But keep in mind, you don't want to put the dressing on until you're just ready to serve. So all of our nicely chopped cucumber and a little bit of the dressing, and you can toss it together. And then you can garnish it with a little bit of toasted sesame seeds and some cilantro. And there you have it. You're ready to serve a nice light summer salad that has a lot of flavor. For the full recipe, see alldayidreamaboutfood.com.